Hello everyone! Welcome to this first video in a series of videos on energy efficiency and agents with artificial intelligence. Today, I want to talk to you a bit more about these topics as there are a few misconceptions.
Thank you for answering my questions. I was told that advanced energy management solutions can be implemented. I am interested in understanding how they can help us improve our processes and reduce costs in our company.
Of course, energy management has changed a lot in the last decades. Before, everything was manual and reactive. You only acted when there were obvious problems, such as an exorbitant bill or a supply failure. Today, thanks to digitalization and tools such as multi-agent systems, energy can be managed proactively, optimizing consumption and significantly reducing costs.
I understand. But what are the actual problems that these technologies are trying to solve?
Very good question. The main challenges include dependence on fossil fuels, which makes us vulnerable to price volatility, inefficiency in obsolete infrastructure, which wastes resources, and, of course, the environmental impact. There is also energy poverty and technological barriers to adopting renewable energy. The solution lies in a comprehensive approach that combines technology, education, and public policy.
That makes sense. But tell me about the economic impact. How can we save costs by using these solutions?
Of course, energy waste is an expensive problem. For example, older systems consume more energy than necessary, increasing bills and reducing competitiveness. There are solutions based on artificial intelligence and multi-agent systems that identify these inefficiencies and correct them. They also help predict energy demand and optimize the use of renewable sources, reducing operating costs.
Sustainability is also key for us. How do these technologies impact the environment?
Excellent approach. By optimizing consumption and facilitating the use of clean energy, these technologies reduce greenhouse gas emissions. They also minimize dependence on fossil fuels and promote sustainable energy management. For example, multi-agent systems can coordinate microgrids to make better use of solar and wind energy.
You mentioned multi-agent systems. Could you explain how they work and what benefits they offer?
Of course, multi-agent systems are networks of autonomous agents that collaborate with each other to manage resources efficiently. In the energy sector, this means optimizing the flow of energy in microgrids, balancing the load of electric vehicles, and enabling energy trading between communities. These systems improve resilience and flexibility of supply and enable better integration of renewable energy.
Interesting. But are there any challenges you should consider before implementing these technologies?
Correct. Interoperability with existing infrastructures can be a challenge, as can data security and privacy. It is also essential that staff be trained to manage these tools. However, we work to overcome these challenges with customized solutions and ongoing training.
Sounds promising. What would be the next step if we decide to move forward?
The first step is to perform a diagnosis of your current situation to identify inefficiencies and define clear objectives. Once the current situation is known, a tailored solution based on AI and multi-agent systems can be designed, ensuring that it integrates seamlessly with your operations.
Excellent. I would like to explore this possibility further. Thank you for the information. Who would I need to contact?
You can contact our expert Antonio Fresco Navacharata via LinkedIn. He will guide you through the process. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to be more informed about how artificial intelligence can revolutionize the energy efficiency of companies.